how to improve your concentration. This is a most common concern among many parents. In this video, I'm going to give you a few simple tips which when you follow religiously will help you increase your concentration. Before we get into the topic, I first want you to understand that our body and the brain work simultaneously with each other. That is, when the activity of the brain goes up, the activity of the body also goes up, and when the activity of the brain goes down, the activity of the body also goes down. So now, how do I keep this brain active all the time? So I would suggest you to give your complete self in whatever you do. It might be even a minute thing that you do, like drinking water. So when you drink a glass of water, concentrate in drinking the glass of water. Look into it, see how much is left over. Just concentrate on the glass of water. There's a famous saying, eat when you eat, sleep when you sleep. Now you all may wondering, what is she even talking about? We all do eat when we eat and we all sleep when we sleep. Now when you get deeper into the sentence and when you analyze it, what it actually says is, how many of us do actually only eat when we are at the dining table? Not many of us. So we have a lot of distractions like the television and the phone, and finally we end up overeating or we hardly eat anything. Another thing is, when we go to sleep, we all have this habit of checking our messages before we go to sleep. So sometimes what happens is there is a lot of distraction. We move from one app to the other app and then the other app and so on, and then we end up with a sleepless night. So this is what this sentence means. Sleep when you sleep means you have to sleep, only sleep when you have to sleep, and eat when you eat means you have to only eat when you have to eat. So when you concentrate on these little things, it definitely helps you in the long run. Now let's get into the topic. How do I increase my concentration while studying? Now imagine I'm at my study desk. The first thing that I have to do is I should tell myself that this is my life and that I am responsible for anything that I choose to do today, whether it is good or bad, that I am the reason for anything that I do today. Having told this to myself, next I take out my books, and along with this book, the first tip that I'm going to give you is take an additional sheet and place this beside. So when you place this beside, name this as distraction sheet. And now you get into your studies. So every time when you find something distracting you, just pen down that distraction thought on this distraction sheet. So finally, when you end up with your studies, take that distraction sheet and see all the distractions that you have faced during the study time, and please see to it that you don't repeat it the next time. And one more important thing that I want to tell you is, your study space is a very, very sacred place. So please do not litter it with either food or phone. So food and phone should strictly be prohibited from your study space. The next thing that I do is I should create an interest in the subject that I am learning. Only when I have a liking towards the subject, whatever I learn is memorized or it stays in my mind. So the first important thing that I have to do now is create an interest in the subject. So now once the interest is created, next what do? I open my book and I see a lot of chapters under it. So now I'm literally confused as where to start. So now just stay calm, choose one of the chapters, and under that choose one of the subtopics and have your full concentration there and study that subtopic alone. So when you concentrate on fewer things, your distractions are also less. So the next main point is that you have to focus on fewer things to improve your concentration. Now, having started with studying, now what I do is, when I read every sentence, I visualize the words that is told there. That is, I imagine and visualize it. Only then my understanding becomes more clear. So visualize your studies. So anything you study, visualize or picturize so that it stays in your mind for a longer time. And also, when you move from one topic to the other, just have a small recap on the previous topic so that you don't forget your previous concepts before you move on to the next concept. Take breaks. There is a study showing that human brains cannot concentrate on a particular thing for more than 1 to 2 hours. So this means even while you are studying, please do not plan studying for long hours. Take short breaks in between where you can go and relax yourself. Maybe you can go for an exercise. So exercise is very important because it helps the blood flow to your brain, which increases the oxygen level of your brain. So this in turn improves your concentration. The next tip would be a healthy diet. So add on a lot of vegetables and fruits to your diet. Drink plenty of water and stay hydrated. And please do cut down on sugars totally, because sugar induces sleep, which results in the lack of concentration. Have an adequate amount of sleep. On an average, a human being should have at least 8 hours of sleep for the brain to function effectively. Now, this sleep does not include the morning sleep that you have or your afternoon nap. So this sleep refers to the sleep that you have during the night. So please sleep for at least 8 hours during the night and plan your study in the early hours of the morning. So this is when your brain cells are fully active and you are able to grasp things even more easily. So here I have given you few valuable tips on how to improve your concentration. Please do follow them religiously and leave your feedback as comments below. Till then, like, share and subscribe our channel.